So here's how it works every morning when I get things started for the show. It's all starting in the office here, right there. There's where Sid sits. There's the stuff that I'm going to carry in as we get the day started in the studio. Be right back. So here's the studio. You've seen it before. It's not going to be in focus if I move too quickly, so I'll move slow. Various computers around, the control board, and things laid out for the most part pretty neatly. Someone's leaving stuff behind. But at this point, I'm going to begin setting things up. So let's get started. Alright, so now I'll put this in place and we'll be all ready to get the show started. We'll just need some hosts, but they'll be here any minute. And in a few minutes, you'll see what happens in the studio as things go on. So, one break in. Here's what things look like now. Scattered around. Bags, papers, food. This really is just what it takes to have everything at hand and ready to go wherever the conversation leads, where it takes them, and how it's done. So that's the kind of work environment it takes to put out this sort of show. All for you, don't you know? Right, be right back. Alright, end of the show. Zeke's already taken off. Drake is off doing something. He'll be back for his stuff in a minute. Time to get it cleaned up now. Back to the office. And that's it. Everything's back, mostly, the way it should be. You have the newspaper, a couple of notes for Danny, for Ross, for Jar, and they just have to log in and get going. Otherwise, show's over. Time for the post-show.